Close your eyes and listen. Listen. Do you remember? The loud thump as the airplane lands? The sound of French when the taxi driver speaks? The clicking of your shoes walking up the stairs of your new home? The first time you tried Belgian fries at Brussels Grand Place? That peaceful bike ride through the park in Leuven? The boat ride exploring Ghent's canals? The rainy day you almost missed the tram to campus because you forgot your umbrella? It was worth going back for it though. The thrill of opening the door to your first management lecture? The networking event where you first discuss strategy with your future business partner? Or the feverish excitement on your trip to Silicon Valley? The fun you had playing billiards in between entrepreneurship pitches? The meaning of this word and that word? At least now you know how to order a beer. The many nights out, the dim-lit bars, the loud jokes of friends and strangers. The advice of your professors, the life lessons, and those challenging finance projects. It feels like yesterday when you ironed your shirt to prepare for your marketing internship. It's unforgettable when you throw your graduation cap up in the air and watch your loved ones smile proudly. You remember, right? Sure you do. You must. It almost feels real, doesn't it? Because you just listened to the memories you're about to create. At Vlerick Business School, we live, learn, and leap. But most importantly, we listen. Listen to your inner voice. Apply for a master's program now and start your transformational journey at Vlerick Business School.